Hi, I'm Vince, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video will be about the bed, so let's get started. Okay, this is the original seatbelt bolt, and if you look closely, you can see the head of the bolt. It's been welded to a slug that is threaded to accept another bolt. The way I install it is the original seat belt goes back into the original hole, the original bolt, and then my bed comes down and attaches to that. So 3 of the locations are that way. Now on this one, it's in the floor. So, but I basically still did the same thing. I still took the original bolt and welded a piece on top of it. And you can see I even had to add some spacers because I wasn't high enough at first. The way the bed works is I've got 1-inch tubing and 3/4 inch tubing, and they're sliding within each other. So this gets the bed out, and then here is the legs that come down, which they're 1/4 inch by 1-inch flat bar steel. And it's just double nutted to make it strong with a washer for spacer. And then you can bring that out, you can put the leg down, and now, you know, the bed is totally supported. Okay, this is the bed frame removed from the van, and we're just going to weigh it to see how much it weighs. Set it up here. Looks like 20, maybe 27 pounds. So it's relatively light, and you can tell by just looking at it that it's relatively simple. I can give you some overall dimensions. Let's just measure it. It's about 48 inches wide, and the overall length, both pieces together, it's about 40. So 48 by 40. And of course this is the sliding part that slides out. And then I can pull it out. And then you can see the 2 pieces. You've got a fork, and then you've got the base. Each one of the supports is 1/4 inch by 2-inch flat stock, and we can even measure it here. It looks like I went, they're about 10.5 inches long. And then this is the one where the seat belt is mounted in the floor of the van, so I did have to do this a little different. I just built this little, it's the same thing. It's about 10.5 inches, and then it goes over. Okay. This is a shot of the board that the bed sits on and the bottom of the frame. And you can see where I've even penciled out the frame shape on here. And then these little blocks of wood are all strategically placed so that when you drop this board onto the bed, it only goes one way and it stays. It can't move. Gravity holds it in place. This is the top board to the bed, and I even had a comment that suggested I put some holes in it, and I am going to put some holes in it to make it easier to lift and to lighten it up. The way we slept in it was we used this 3-inch mattress, this 3-inch foam, and then we had sleeping bag. But our original plan, or what we did, was we bought a trucker's mattress, and it was so cumbersome and large and hard to move around that we couldn't deal with it. So this was the alternative. We sleep on a sleeping bag, a double sleeping bag, with 3 of the cushions underneath us, which are 3-inch high density foam that we made the cushions to. We put a zipper in the bottom, and it was comfortable. So thanks for watching today, and the next video will probably be the swing out.